Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 92 minus x equals 7. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. Subtract 92 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives negative x equals negative 85. The variable coefficient is negative 1. Divide both sides by negative 1 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute 85 for x. Both sides equal 7, so the equation balances. So, x equals 85.